Welcome back to another tutorial on how to design with Canva. Now in this lesson we're going to look at how to design or come up with a flyer in Canva. So I'm going to go to templates. Then from over here you'll find a flyer and then marketing. So just click on this arrow and here we have flyers. And then to the right we have all these templates to use. Now some are free and some require you to upgrade to the pro version of Canva in order to access them. So I'll select this. I want to customize the flyer and advertise a cooking service, the baking service that is. So customize this template. Now we have more templates to choose from over here, but I'm satisfied with mine. So what I'll do is I'll zoom in a little bit. There we go. And then you can see this is a kitchen flyer. They're trying to put up their meals out there so that people can come and eat them. But what I want is to advertise a baking service. I have a bakery and I want to put the word up there. So I will have to change some things over here. So first of all, you can decide to keep the logo. Let me just edit everything else and see whether everything will work out well. So let's first change the name. Now it's good. I'll just select this. Let's look for a different font to use. There we go. That looks perfect. So click enter, and I like that. So let's just resize this. Let's do here. So there we go. Let's change the wordings over here. So for them it's discovery new level of text. Let's think of something. I'll go with quality in every bite. There we go. That's good. Let's just position this over here. And then we come to the images now. So far it looks good. I think I'm just going to have to do away with these and look for a different layout. So let's come to elements. And from here, let's look for a baking logo. Let's see what suggestions they'll give. And click on 𝗕𝗃𝗃𝗿, and you can see the different logos they have. Really, really beautiful. So you can choose one. So let's just select this. This is over here. And then select the background. Let's change the color. That looks much better, and now you can see the logo much better. And let's come to the individual images and just change them. So just click on delete. Just click the image. So to delete the image that is. I have all three images deleted. Now let's look for other images to use. In the elements, we have cookies, my bakery. So let's go with photos. So you can choose a photo you like to use. Let's go really quick. Let's just picture it there. Okay. Let's look for different images. So we have cakes, You can customize this according to what you want your audience to see or to know about you. So this looks really good. This I'm just going to resize it. There we go. Perfect. And lastly, we have cupcakes. Again, I'm just going to search for a good photo. This looks really good. There we go. And it's done. Now at the end over here is where you will put in details, where you're located, your number and email. Currently, since I'm not working with any of this, I will just leave it as it is. And there we go. Create a flyer for a bakery in your bakery in town, and you want to people to know what to make. Again, you can always come to these images. If this doesn't make you happy, just delete the image, come back over here, search for more, and you can use any photo, any image. So let's just resize this, and there we go. So you can do pretty much anything with Canva. You can make as many edits. Remember, we've changed the background, the logo, and everything else. So just personalize it as much as you can to bring out your message and to captivate the people. Just make it plain and simple, and you'll have some